You started investing. You're excited. You've got $50 in your account and big dreams. But wait, before you click buy again, let us talk about 5 beginner mistakes that can cost you real money and how to avoid them like a pro. Because smart investors don't just win big, they lose less. This one's huge. If you can't explain what the company does, don't buy it. You're not collecting Pokemon cards. You're buying ownership in a real business. Always ask, what do they sell? Who are their customers? Are they growing? If you don't know the answers, pause. Metaphor. Would you buy a car without knowing if it runs? This stock is going to the moon. Sound familiar? Reddit, TikTok, your friend's cousin, everyone's got a hot tip. But by the time you hear it, it's often too late. Don't buy just because everyone else is. Real investing is boring. Hype is expensive. Stocks go up. Stocks go down. That's normal. But beginners freak out and sell when they're scared. That locks them a loss. Pro tip. If nothing's changed about the company, don't sell just because the price dipped. Think long term, not this week. Metaphor. Selling your phone because it dropped in price for one day. Should I wait until the market crashes? Good luck. Even experts can't time it. Waiting too long equals you miss the best days in the market. Instead, invest regularly. No matter what the market is doing, that's called dollar cost averaging. And it works? Most beginners invest with vibes. No strategy. No goal. Just vibes. But here's the truth. The market rewards people with a plan. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Is this for 5 years or 50? What am I willing to lose? No plan equals emotional decisions. And emotions equals losses. Everyone makes mistakes when they start. The smart ones, they learn fast and keep going. The market is like a game. You don't win by guessing. You win by learning the rules and staying in long enough to play. Hit like if you've made any of these mistakes. I have too. Share this with someone who's just getting started. And subscribe for more no-fluff investing tips that actually make sense.